Welcome remote sensing Sathi. Today I will learn how to install R programming in your PC. Okay, I have I already have setup. Go to the setup. This is R programming setup. From here, by this setup, I can install R programming in my PC. Okay, at first run this application file. Application file. It is 79.0 MB. This file administrator. Yes, choose. Do you want to allow this Mac app to make changes to your device? Yes. English. Okay. Next, there have term and condition. Next, where this is the storage place where you want to keep the storage. Next, you want 32-bit, 64-bit, anyone. Next, do you want to customize this setup? This is the customize section. It will be you have to be find to be C or running. Okay, if you customize this tab, select yes, or you can use the default one. You can select no. So I can use default one, so I can select no. Next, the browser name you can change the name from here. Okay, here you can see create a desktop shortcut, create a launch shortcut. No, if you want this click, but you don't know, so next, and it will be run. Finish. And then you have to be run this application. Yes. Next, destination folder. Next, R Studio install. It will run very fast. Then the process of installation is complete. Okay. This is R Studio. Open the software. first time it gets some much time. Now the installation is complete by its packages have to be not installed, so its packages have to install. Packages, go install. I have installation packages it in zip format, zip achieve. So I have to be select here in zip, in browse, raster, install. Already it takes zip format, rcpp, install. Digital, sp, install. Okay, each library is installed. You can see raster, rcpp, digital, sp. In zip format it will install. Okay, our script, here you can write our programming. You can see our packages zip format is installed. 1 2 3 4 4 packages is installed. You can see by trying the typing or code something in R. Raster, here you can see the raster is automatic coming. It means the packages are successfully installed. Okay, here you can see the packages is already automatically coming. Okay, it means the packages is installed successfully. If you want more packages, you go to the Google and type RStudio. From there you can more install more packages in more packages of RStudio. Okay, if you like this video, please like this video, and if you any question, please comment on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video.